How to know if someone has removed you on Snapchat. Well, hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Let me guide through quick and easy and how you can know if someone has removed you on Snapchat. Well, if you were a friend with someone on Snapchat and now you want to know if they have unfriended you, that you feel that they have unfriended you, here is how you can know. Simply go ahead and open up Snapchat, head over to the chat section. Now at the right hand side, you'll normally find the chat icon here or the snap icon. But however, if you see the cross icon there, it means that they have unfriended you. So you can see there is normally the camera, snap, or that icon there particularly. But if you see the cross icon, so this cross icon means that they have unfriended me, right? So you can see here, if you head over to it, you can see it'll show up they have not added you as a friend. The other thing is you won't be able to see the call icon there at the top. And also if you head over to the profile, you won't be able to see their snap score and birth date and such. So it means that they have unfriended you. This is how you can know if someone removed you on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.